Hi everyone, welcome to Reycraft Book Storytime. I'm Eileen, and today I'll be sharing with you Sweet Laba Congee by Qiusheng Zhang, who has written over 70 books, and illustrated by Chengliang Zhu, who has received many awards for his illustrations. So let's go on a little journey with little Year here, and she's going to show us how Laba Congee is made and also how it is shared. Let's get started. Here we go. My name is Year. Our house is at the east end of the village, in a valley. Our neighbors' homes are called the Zhang family compound, the Li family compound, and the Zhao family compound, while our home is called the Red Persimmon compound because of the big persimmon tree in our yard. According to tradition, every family cooks Laba Congee during the Laba festival on the 8th day of the 12th month of the lunar calendar. The day before the festival this year, Grandma and I sat under the persimmon tree, organizing the ingredients for this tasty porridge. We prepared a wide variety of ingredients, such as rice, sorghum, corn, millet, and chestnuts, walnuts, and dates. It was a lot of work to gather and clean all the ingredients. On the morning of the Laba festival, I woke up to the familiar smells of congee. Rolling out of bed, I ran to the kitchen and helped Mom add firewood to the wood-burning stove. We had a gas stove at home, but Grandma insisted on using the wood-burning stove and a large pot for making the Laba Congee because this is the only way to guarantee it will be perfect. When the Laba Congee began to boil, the smells attracted our puppy, who circled around the kitchen stove. The congee was ready around noon, but it was not time to eat yet. Grandma filled bowls with the congee and worshiped our ancestors and gods with them. Grandma asked the ancestors and gods for favorable weather in the coming year and a good harvest. She also asked for family peace and prosperity, especially for my dad, who was working in a different city, and my uncle, who was studying at a university. The next job was mine, carrying the pot with the Laba Congee in it. I delivered some to the oldest men and women in our village. Back home, our yard was warm, bathed in the noon sunshine. My family sat under the persimmon tree and ate the Laba Congee, which was shared by our puppy and the birds in the tree. Some congee was left in the pot. Grandma said that we would save it for Dad and Uncle. I knew they were coming back because the spring festival was drawing near. Grandma gave me half a bowl to smear on the tree in the yard. According to legend, this will help the tree grow better and produce more persimmons next year. It began to snow right after the Laba festival. Watching the snowflakes fall, my friends and I played on the hillside, singing, "Stop crying, dear little one. After Laba, you'll get pork. Stop crying, dear little one. A new year is coming soon." The end. I hope you enjoyed this story. Please visit us at www.reycraft.com, reycraftbooks.com, and see if there are any other stories that you would like us to share with you. Please feel free to let us know on social media or by email or through our website. Also, go to our Reycraft Books YouTube channel to listen to all of the other stories that you may have missed. We'll see you soon.